8 Wedges, One World by Gavin and Eddie.
We chose to use transport efficiency because many people use cars, and in the near future we can develop the technology easily that will allow us to increase our miles per gallon.
We chose building efficiency because of the technological and economic potential to cut emissions in half is possible.
We chose electricity efficiency because many of the emissions in this sector come from power plants, which have many ways that they can be more efficient.
We chose fuel switching because of the lower carbon content of natural gas and higher efficiencies of natural gas plants results in only about half the emissions of coal.
We chose nuclear energy because it produces no CO2 and there's a lot of room for improvement with the way we're using it in our country today.
We chose wind hydrogen because hydrogen is a desirable fuel for a low-carbon society because when it's burned, the only emission product is water vapor.
We chose forest storage because the trees act as a natural sink, which takes away CO2 from the atmosphere. Plus, we could also help the deforestation by planting more trees.
Farming techniques increase carbon retention or storage in soils. Certain farming techniques allow for carbon to be taken out of the atmosphere.
When reviewing our plan, we said that taxpayers and consumers would give us a 4 because we picked relatively cheap options. Energy companies would also give us a 4 because we did not put them out of business, only made their businesses run more efficiently. Environmental groups would give us a 4 because our plan also helps the environment. Manufacturers would give us a 3 because while they'd lose business, they'd also gain more efficient business. Industrialized country governments would give us 3 because, again, we wouldn't be putting big business out. We'd only be helping it, but still crippling it a little bit. And developing country governments would give us a 4 because we're making a lot more progress towards efficiency.